Most of what you taste on a trip stays where you found it. The vintage port at the Coburn's Lodge, the white port and tonic overlooking the Douro, you can remember it. You can't recreate it, most of it. This is CR&F Aguardente, Portuguese grape brandy, a spirit so fundamental to Portugal that they just call it what it is: ardent water, the fire water. And this is ginja, sour cherry liqueur, made the same way it's been made since a monk invented the recipe in 1840 near Rocio Square in Lisbon. The monk is gone, the recipe isn't. The backbone of Portugal, a recipe that hasn't changed in 200 years. One more old-fashioned. Let's see what happens. 2 ounces of aguardente. Half an ounce of ginja. Two dashes of Angostura. This one needs bitters. Aguardente is clean, neutral enough to carry. Ginja brings the sweetness, brings the cherry. Angostura brings the frame. 3 ingredients, none of them optional. 30 rotations. Slow. You're not rushing this. Strain over a large ice cube. And now, the cherries. No orange peel, no sugar cube, just 2 things I carried back from Portugal. And the monk's recipe to put them together. These are the same cherries they've been putting in ginja for 200 years. Rocio Square, 1840, in my glass in South Florida. Aguardente is clean underneath, almost neutral. It's carrying everything else. That's what Portugal grape brandy does. In Portugal, they call it the backbone. The ginger wraps around it. Cherry, a little tart. Bright in a way cherry usually isn't. And then, the Angostura. Just enough to remind you, this is still an old-fashioned. This is what Portugal tastes like when you take it home.